Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the remote learning initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Today I am going to teach English grammar for standard 7th, transformation of sentences part 1. What is transformation of sentences? When we change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning, it is called transformation of sentences. We have learned two ways of classifying sentences. Sentences can be assertive, affirmative or negative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. And second, sentences can be simple, compound or complex. Sentences with or without the adverb to. The to form is changed to the so such that form. The so such that sentence is a complex sentence. The tense in the subordinate clause depends upon the tense in the main clause. For example, this rod is too hot to touch. When we will change it, then we will say, this rod is so hot that I cannot touch it. Second example, Three Idiots was too good a movie to miss. When we will change it, then sentence will be, Three Idiots was such a good movie that I didn't want to miss it. Interchanging affirmative and negative sentences. For affirmative to negative sentences, we will have 3 points. They are, first point, use a word of opposite meaning after a negative word or use double negatives. Second point, make the sentence both negative and interrogative. And third point, change only to none but. For example, I admit that you have done your best. This is affirmative sentence. When we will change this in negative, we will say, I do not deny that you have done your best. Second example, only a beast could be so cruel. This is an affirmative sentence. When we will make it negative, the answer will be, none but a beast could be so cruel. Third example, you yourself wanted this transfer. This is affirmative and negative will be, didn't you yourself want this transfer? Interchanging assertive and interrogative sentences. For interrogative to assertive sentence, the first point will be, only those sentences in which the interrogative form has been used for the sake of emphasis can be changed into the assertive form. Second point, an affirmative question implies a negative statement. A negative question implies an affirmative statement. For example, interrogative sentence, who can believe her story? Same sentence, when we will make it in assertive, the sentence will be, nobody can believe her story. Second example, shouldn't we show greater respect for our cultural heritage? This is interrogative, and in assertive, we should show greater respect for our cultural heritage. Third example, is this the way to treat our aged parents? This is interrogative, and in assertive, this is not the way to treat our aged parents.